My name is John Meyer, and I'm running the session on digital and analog photography. The focus of this session, first and foremost, inkjet printing can now produce photographic quality. But much more than that, we can expand the options for the professional, giving much greater range for expression of the art. Right behind me are the examples of the work of two leading artists in this field. One, Douglas Kirkland, and the other, David Adamson. That's it for me. Now we go to test printer testing.
Hi, I'm Brian Kripke. If you'd like to see high-speed video of a printer crashing, join us at the test printer testing session.
Hi, I'm Whitney, and also in the test printer testing session, find out what the link is between banks of printers, these 5 pages of the ISO suite, and this scale.
Hi, I'm Kevin Matheson, and I'll be running the session inside the camera. Come join our session, and we'll have a look at the latest sensor technology used in HP cameras. Then we'll take a look at what's behind the scenes with high ISO and steady photo. Following that, you'll get a chance to compare resolution of different cameras using different tools. In the lab demo session, we're going to actually be measuring resolution and comparing different resolution techniques used to test cameras. That's it for now. Over to Bob Gann.
Thanks, Kevin. You just heard about how to test cameras in this session through HP's lens to photos. We're going to talk about using cameras, and not just cameras, scanners, all-in-ones, and printers. We're going to look at all the HP digital photography consumer products in one place, and you'll get a chance to use them, take photos, and create.
My name is Emmanuel Tezor. I'm looking at the Personal Computing Connect session. First of all, you'll see the latest 20-inch notebook that we call the Dragon. You'll see a very, very beautiful 24-inch monitor, the 24/8 vivid color monitors, as well as the...
You should buy an HP. Isn't that better? But don't forget your recycled paper.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ross Allen, and I'm going to be in the advanced ink session where we don't need any puppets to tell you the developments of HP's ink systems. We're going to be talking about aqueous inks, solvent inks, UV curable inks, and the print heads that make them work. And when you leave, you'll understand why HP has 4 different types of ink sets, each optimized to maximize performance in many different areas, from the desktop to making prints on the sides of buildings. And you'll also get to design your own printer, and for that, my colleague Nils Miller and Steve Castle are going to help you out.
Thanks, Ross. This is Nils. So I wanted to talk to everybody about the Design a Printer System module. So here you'll actually be designing your own inkjet printer. And to do that, you'll have to fill out this form. And to really fill out this form intelligently, you'll have to learn about all these design decisions. For example, how big a drop do you want? Or what type of inks do you want to use? So there'll be many decisions for you to make, but don't worry, we'll be spending the time to educate you about those decisions. You can make those decisions, and then at the end of the session, we will show you how your virtual printer actually performs. So for example, one of the main decisions you'll have to look at is the fade resistance of the inks. You'll have a choice of 5 inks, and as you can see here, the fade resistance varies dramatically among them. But that's just one variable you'll have to consider. What are the inks that might be fantastic at fade resistance, might be terrible for some other attributes. And these are the trade-offs you're going to have to make as a design engineer designing your very own printer. That's it for us. Over to you, Tom.
Thanks, Nils. I'm Tom Brown. In this session, original HP ink versus aftermarket, we'll be discussing what customers want and how to test for it.
Well, thanks, Tom. One of the things we'll be talking about today is how these fade tests are done in terms of test methods and all that kind of stuff. Fading is kind of the invisible aspect of product quality. You can't see it when it comes right out of the printer. It's something that happens later. And a lot of the third-party companies have been marketing under the proposition equivalent OEM quality at lower cost. And we're going to see that in terms of image permanence, total product quality, that's not true.
If you want to know how 1200 HP cartridges are connected to German beer and French baguette, join our session.
Hello and welcome to the future. I'm Niranjan. I'll be introducing to you some of the technologies that HP Labs is working on for the future. First, we have printables, a technology that allows multiple inexpensive projectors to be combined to give you the quality of a high-quality cinema theater in your home for a very low price. The second is for you to experience mediascapes, this new technology from HP Labs. The third is to experience the power of mobile imaging for consumer applications. Now come and join us in the future.
Mobile 2710 commercial notebook, so please join us as soon as possible. So over now to Steve Miller.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Hi, my name is Stephen Miller, and I'll be hosting the Edgeline session, where we'll be showing you HP's new inkjet-based department color copier. You know, this copier contains every feature the office customer could ever want. In fact, here comes Steve Rasmussen now to use one of the unique features of Edgeline. Let's watch. Looks like he's doing something really important. Oh yeah. He got an ice cold beer. That's my beer.
We'll also be demonstrating a print performance test, an engine teardown, and an auto nav demonstration.
Here's your beer, Laura.
Back to you, Paul.
Thanks, Laura. You saved me a cold one. I'm Paul Duran, and today we're going to be talking about ink and toner. And now, somewhere in EMEA, I want to buy a printer.
You should buy a LaserJet.
No, you should buy an inkjet.
LaserJet.
An inkjet.
LaserJet.
An inkjet.
LaserJet.
An inkjet.
LaserJet. We have a freaking new toner. Look. And you can measure it too.
But I have the most affordable office workhorse. Now watch me copy myself.